I really did my research when picking out this ice machine. I didn't want to get another cheap appliance. I wanted something that would actually make good ice, and I'm so happy with it. It makes the most satisfying little cubes. That is exactly what I was looking for. So good for my morning lattes. So it has two indicator lights when the ice is full and when you have to add water. When you click once, the machine will start making ice, and then when you press and hold, it will start a clean cycle. At the bottom, to drain the machine of all the water, you simply open up this silicone tab over a sink or a container. This is where the max fill line is, so you pour the water directly into the machine. You can run a clean cycle. You can run it, I know, with vinegar. It helps clean everything out, and this is what that looks like. Water will just filter through, and then you drain it out. And then this is what it looks like when the machine starts making ice. It makes it very quickly. It takes about 7 minutes for your first batch of ice, and then in 24 hours it can make up to 35 pounds. The machine will let you know when the ice tray is full, so it will automatically stop making it. So crunchy, so satisfying, great machine.